here. Today I want to show you one of my favorite healing teas in the world. Used for 2000 years mainly to improve heart health and treat diabetes, today's science also attributes another benefit to this healing tea. It's one of the most powerful antioxidants in the world. Great to help you lowering your creatinine levels. Studies are showing that taking this potent root, either in extract form or as a tea, can lower the inflammatory markers in the body significantly. And this is crucial if you want to improve the health of your kidneys. Remember that there is an important inflammatory component in kidney disease, and this means you need to take action against inflammation if you want your kidneys to improve. And this is not all. One of the main healing effects this tea has is its ability to lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. This effect is well documented and powerful. Type 2 diabetes patients that took this natural remedy for 12 weeks saw an impressive 11% drop in blood sugar levels and an even more impressive 33% increase in insulin sensitivity. And this is an amazing result, frankly. This root also has powerful effects on brain function, as it can improve calmness, alertness, and thinking skills. But the main reason why many men, especially over the age of 50, are taking this incredible remedy is its ability to improve testosterone levels and to fight ED. And it really works! One study found that men treated with this wonderful remedy had a 60% improvement in ED symptoms almost immediately. This is because this root can promote the production of nitric oxide, a compound that improves muscle relaxation in the whole body and increases blood circulation. This is not just great, as I was saying, to fight ED, but it's also great for kidney health and to lower creatinine levels. I'm telling you this because improving nitric oxide production has been shown by several studies to be key for better blood flow in the kidneys. And this directly translates into better kidney function. The miracle remedy I'm talking about is a special type of ginseng called Panax ginseng or Korean ginseng. Today, Panax ginseng is one of the most widely prescribed and intensely studied herbal medicines. So let's see what happens to your kidneys when you drink this tea every day. The powerful antioxidant and immune modulatory activities this remedy possesses will modulate the oxidative stress in the kidneys. This is why this remedy is so good at protecting the kidneys from disease. It prevents cellular damage to the nephrons inside the kidneys. But guys, to get this kidney protecting benefit, you have to be very careful when choosing a ginseng supplement. Not all ginsengs are created equal. Let's see why. Question: is the ginseng you find at the grocery store the same as Panax ginseng? No. There are several types and qualities of ginseng. What I'm showing you in today's video for its healing properties is called red Panax ginseng. This is not the same as Chinese or American ginseng. While those are mostly used for their taste and energizing effect, Panax ginseng of the red variety is a real healer. Because while the various types of ginseng you can find have some benefits, Panax ginseng only is grown and harvested for its healing properties. This slow-growing short plant with fleshy roots can be classified 3 ways depending on how long it is grown: fresh, white, or red. Fresh ginseng is harvested before 4 years, while white ginseng is harvested between 4 to 6 years. And to be classified as red ginseng, the one that's used for its kidney healing benefits, it needs to stay in the ground for 6 years or more before being harvested. You can take red ginseng as powders or capsules. You can also buy the dried root to boil in water for tea. Most studies, however, use the extract because it's easier to dose it consistently. Yes, the key factor here is the dose. Before we get to that, let's discuss safety first. Panax ginseng may have some side effects that can be avoided when taken properly. Trouble sleeping is the most common side effect because ginseng has an energizing effect. So just like you will do with a coffee, take it in the morning. Even better if you drink this instead of coffee. Less common effects include headache, agitation of stomach, and in some cases dizziness. Some people also reported an increase or decrease in blood pressure. My advice here is to consult your doctor before taking this remedy and to monitor your blood pressure to see if it is affected. As many remedies, this one may interact with warfarin and other medications that slow blood clotting. This remedy is, however, considered pretty safe when taken properly. Okay guys, let's take a look at the therapeutic doses for Panax ginseng. Daily doses of 1 to 2 grams of raw ginseng root or 200 to 400 milligrams of extract are suggested. It's best to start with lower doses and increase over time. However, also consider that in many studies, people took higher doses for longer periods of time without problems. Always buy ginseng from a trustworthy company because it's an expensive root. There is a risk that these reputable manufacturers might sell ginseng with other things added in or include less than advertised on the bottle. Be careful. Okay guys, do you know that there is a remedy that can make you avoid dialysis in 91% of the cases? Watch this video now to know more, and this is all for today. Thank you for watching.